Let's go over and check it out real fast. That's super cool.
Let's check down there.
No, we don't want to check down there. It's a big hole. Let's go look at these.
Oh,
I'm sorry.
water down there.
Okay, we'll go check it out. Come on.
Look at the little fountain.
Look, they even have like a cool place. Look, that's up over here.
That's cool, man. We'll come back to that in just a minute.
Let's see if we can get the highest thing ever.
Let's go look at it.
That price.
How cool is this, dude? These are called cliff dwellings. Look, come here. That's what we're gonna do. Look. Look at the cliff dwellings. Look. People used to live in this, dude. Did you know that? Look, this is people's homes. Look. Let's go check it out. Come on. Let's go inside of it. Let's go inside of it. Come on, do you want to come in here with me? Let's go see if we can fit in one of these. Daddy big fat. All right, come on. Whoa, bro. Look at this. Wow, dude. But people used to live in here and there's no lights. Whoa, dude. Can you believe this? Hang on, hang on. Here comes mom. Here comes mom. Look. What do you think, dude? What do you think, Jordan? Pretty sick, ain't it? Let's get up there.
I'm going down there. Excuse me, sorry.
Excuse me.
Miles.
Come on, let's go check it out.
I want to go through there. Excuse me. There's one up here. I'm coming, Miles.
Whoa. Look. This is where they put fire in there.
How'd you get through there? Miles, come back. They're leaving.
Here, Jimmy, just don't get out.
Whoa.
This is my bedroom. Daddy. This is my bedroom.
Let's go look at it, son.
This is the guest bedroom.
Excuse me, buddy.
Right there.
Oh, dude.
Look at the window.
Is this for real? What's in there? Oh, it's like a little bedroom or something.
I didn't even fit through this.
Hey, come here, come back, come back, come back. Don't get stuck like that other little boy. Remember? Just wait on mommy. Wait on mommy. Wait, here comes mommy. How cool is this? Come on, let's go walk out here. Let's go see what's next. Oh. Popping out the window. You went in there? Okay.
This
Whoa.
one's sick in here.
Is that cool?
Yeah, let me hold it inside.
Let me hold it inside.
Look, Daddy. It's a sick place.
All right, bud.
Come
on.
You can get through
Yeah.
this.
Get through. And put your leg on the ground. Oh.
No,
All right.
no, stay on that.
Let's go up here. Come up here. Come up here. Let's go in this one.
Oh, this is a new one.
A new one.
Hop in that hole.
Are we going into the hole or to the right or to the left?
Come here, quick.
Let's see what's in here.
Oh.
What's in there? Step in there. Let's go check it out.
Daddy, you can't fit in.
Whoa.
It's a little dark place that has the tube inside.
Whoa, bruh. How cool is that? Way up there.
Hey, look. Come here. Gracie.
Excuse me.
That's not scary.
Come on in here. Come on, babe. Come on, babe.
Gracie, come on.
Babe. Come on. Where you
Miles.
going? Come on, buddy.
What? Whoa. And then we're going to the manhole.
Whoa.
Hey, you want to behind that? This is the timeout room. Ow. Ouch. I'm going to go for timeout. I'm in timeout.
Wow.
Steve, come on. Let's get up here. Come on here. Yeah. Is there bleeds still here again?
Babe. Babe.
Well, we have to keep it moving if we want to climb too. Very good.
What's up there? Let's see. Can we look? Ooh, it's dark in there.
Yeah, it's very dark. Let's climb up here. I can
Yeah.
definitely climb up.
Well, you gotta wait. It says 2 people at a time. Wait just a minute.
Oh, look. There's more holes. And I found a ladder.
There's a ladder up there?
Yeah, it's a ladder, right? Look right.
Whoa, dude.
It is a ladder. I mean,
Are you gonna get in there?
I can walk in.
What?
You gonna try to climb the ladder?
Yeah.
I can't go in there with you.
Wait.
Just go up here. Wait till he gets done there. You go up there. Go see what's up there. Alright, try to climb up this ladder. Get up there,
Well,
buddy.
there's a ladder to go down, huh?
There's a ladder to go down. I just feel like I'm too big for both of them, you know?
That's the music.
Cool.
Miles. Okay.
Hey, listen. Only two
What do you think, buddy? You go up there?
Hey, stay down.
Go in there. Climb down the ladder. I'll catch you on this side. Oh, excuse me. I'm sorry. You go down the ladder?
Gracie, come on in.
Go in this one and come down this ladder.
Where?
Right here. Go in that room and come down on this ladder. All right?
Where is the ladder?
It's over to the right.
Look, the ladder. Uncle Jefferson.
Probably safe.
I'll be right here. Look, I'm going to get you right here at the bottom.
Hold it.
Get the cape effect.
Come. Nice. Come down this hole.
Okay. Let this kid go first.
Okay.
Ladder. Are you scared, Miles?
Come on now.
You guys, come on into the basement.
Here, I'm going to get you. Come down here. Come down the ladder.
Hi, Uncle Justin.
Alley's going down.
You go down there.
Where's Miles at? Is he in there?
They're upstairs. Oh, he's right here.
Can I come down this way, Gracie?
Right here.
Can I turn around and go down backwards?
Whoa.
Gracie, come on.
How are you coming? Gracie.
There's a ladder.
Night, you coming down?
Yeah.
All right, bub. There you go.
Oh yeah. This is
No, the one, like an iPhone app.
Wow, dude. Just soak it in for a minute. Just soak it in. Wow. Wow. What is this? Oh, cool. I want to know. The oven. Sorry. You know what that means? Horno means oven in Spanish. What's the oven?
Cook. I just said to Mama, that's how they make. That's how they make. That's how like they get warm. And I said that's how they cook.
That's both. That's how they get warm and how they cook. It serves two purposes, not just one. How cool is that?
This is like
What do you think?
This looks like Goku lives.
Let's walk through the museum right here to the right.
No, this one.
Right here, this way is the first way. Come here. Come in here first. Let's go check this out real quick. This is where the people that used to live here.
Whoa.
Oh, excuse me. Okay, be careful walking down, okay? Look at that big bird up there. That's scary, dude.
That's scary.
Look.
That's what real though.
Don't walk off. Don't touch anything.
This was a long time ago.
Look, this is what they used.
But Mama, this has been a long time
Wow.
ago.
Look, you look here. That's what they made.
A monkey. Let me sit down real quick. Ugh.
Whoa.
Look, there's 2 things are gone. Instead, the rest of the gears are still
Whoa,
on.
that's crazy.
That means one of them died.
So big growth on its ear. Oh, look at this.
That's what they put babies in.
This is what you would have to be in if you were still, if you were here at that time.
Sandals.
Mama, come here. There's a statue. Look.
Whoa, look at this. What? Oh, this is what we learned about this past week. Because it keeps it warmer. I mean, keeps it cooler and warmer.
This is how to build our house.
Look, this is a. We're watching a show called Alone. Remember? And this is what the lady did. Remember, she built this, and then she came over and built this part, and then she covered it up, but she did it with moss instead of dirt.
Yeah.
And then the smoke would blow out through the top instead of through their breath. Whoa, check this out, dude.
I'm just going to show you what the royal.
A teepee. Whoa.
Whoa, sit.
What do you think?
Yeah.
People used to live in these out here. What do you think? Pretty sick, huh? Let's go out here.